Hey, Tony Anzer here, Northwest Indiana Chicagoland real estate agent. We're here at the Goodenow Grove Forest Preserve. Let go, let go, let go, let go! I'm just giving a tour of the Forest Preserve and namely the sledding facilities here. Just doing this video to help our viewers know fun things to do in the region. Again, my name is Tony Anzer. We're licensed in Illinois and Indiana, and would love to help you with your buying and selling journey. All right, enjoy this video on what it's like to go sledding and a little bit more about the Goodenow Grove Forest Preserve in the wintertime. We got our sleds packed. All right, we're at the entrance to the Forest Preserve, and we'll record the drive-in. Here's the walk from the car to the top of the sledding hill. I don't know how this works exactly, but I get tasked with bringing up all these sleds, and Lisa and Ella get out scot-free somehow. Here's the trek back up the hill. Hi, we're at the top of the sledding hill. See, this is the main area. They got the area to walk up fenced off. That used to not always be like that, and it'd be a little bit of every man for themselves, trying to not get hit by sledders coming up. And the little bunny hill area for the smaller kids. Okay, all four of them are trying to get on the sled at once now. Okay, see how it goes.
I'm gonna take your picture.
There we go. You guys ready? Let me get out the photo.
Ready? Smile, white guy. BZ, Trevor, Irish smile.
Nice.
Hold on, I gotta take it from different egg. Are you good to go?
All right, ready? Here we go. There we go.
Oh yeah.
Lisa, give me a hand. I only got one hand.
Okay, ready? Here we go, kitty. Oh god.
All four of them on one sled.
We made it.
Okay, that worked pretty well. Let's see if we get all six of us this time.
Yeah.
All six. We can be the bottom.
No, we're gonna be on a pile of on top of them.
Alright, trying to get situated here. It's pretty slippery. Here we go, guys. Ready? Let's just do it. Here we go. Here it goes.
I swear I'm gonna fall off. I'm going to
fall. I just took out Wyatt there. Didn't intend to do that. Ella didn't make it too far before falling off. Watch out behind you, Wyatt. Watch out, watch out.
You found me, and Ella, she didn't make it halfway down the hill. I fell off. Hey, Ella.
What? It's dad versus kids this round. Here we go, kids.
Okay, let's go.
Oh yeah. Off the start.
Wait.
No waiting. Nope, nope. Oh, here they come. You see that guy has a tube, and they do rent out tubes here. It's like a negligible cost. They might not even collect for anymore. You have to leave your driver's license, and then you can get a tube to go sledding with. And then we walk up again, and that process continues. A couple hours now with the kids these age. When they were younger, it'd only be like maybe an hour, and then we're out of here. We'll see how long it lasts today. Fast forward this clip. Taking in the views for a second. We're on top of the sledding hill right now. There's the nature center. It's over there. We got more parking over there. There's a horse trail that goes along the far edge, and there's trails all throughout this place. You see there's a couple thousand acres at least. I forget the latest number. And a couple years ago they did a revamp of the entire trail system and roads and all that stuff. Alright, it's Elle and me this time. We're on the groovy slide.
Oh gosh.
Please look a little further.
Oh gosh. Don't run into anybody. Please don't run into anybody. Please don't die. Please don't die. Oh god. Oh my god.
Wow, we're really going far.
We're really going really far.
Oh,
Sorry.
this one really went far.
Yeah.
Wow. That's our furthest, my furthest, huh?
Yeah.
And now we begin the walk back up.
Oh yeah. Love that.
Alright, now it's me and Ella. One sled versus Lisa and Wyatt.
We're gonna win, obviously.
We're going down. Oh, I guess we're all going down. We're going down fast.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
We're gonna run into Mom. Oh, Wyatt. Oh!
Oh, jeez.
I got snow.
Hey, Mom made it this time. Yeah. He actually went further than us. Ended up backwards. Wyatt won the distance over there.
I got snow in my eyes.
Yeah, we got a
open
good
them.
whitewash on the way down. It's good times.
Okay.
I always enjoy the photo of a photo. Kids are doing the double stack. All right, kids, let's see if you make it. Nice side eye, Elle. Here we go. You ready?
Oh gosh. Dad.
Let's see if they make it. We just had family friends arrive and the kids are all excited. We're running down to greet them. I'm sure their parents are excited to have an afternoon themselves too. Now we'll check out the nature center. We're walking from the top of the hill to the nature center. Now you can fast forward this. Here's a cool map that we ran into of the nature center, and you can see that. So you come in off of Goodenow Road and then Dutton Road, and we did that little video of what it's driving in here, and then so we went left to go to park here, but there's also parking over here. There's like campgrounds over here, and you see all these different color lines are trails that go throughout. And this, I think the orange one is, yeah, there's different things. So orange is all these different activities, so horses namely. So there's people that park off of Goodenow Road and then will take this trail and go all throughout. It's pretty cool. Again, we parked right here for the nature center, and the sledding hill is right here. We're about to head in the nature center, but saw this map too of the nature center. Just wanted to point a few things out. So we are right here walking in, and you can see that there's got a variety of different things here, more geared for the summertime. They have a bunch of events and stuff out here, but nature center, we'll walk that inside. There's a sitting area here that they put bird feeders and stuff, so you can see all kinds of cool birds and squirrels and whatnot. Compost over here is kind of neat to check out. Different areas for kids to play. Little lookout area, hangout area over here. Fireplace they have, fire pit they have events in the spring, summer, fall. Yeah, and now we'll head inside. Okay, so now we're in the nature center. We'll take a tour of it. So yeah, bathrooms up here. You use that after a day of sledding, water. It's a play area, puppet area for the kids. So those areas that are more for us for the spring, summer, fall, but hangout areas. Bird section. And this is really cool, especially in the summer and the fall. So this is the beehive that they have, which is really neat. And in the spring, summer, fall, you see these things going crazy. They're still alive there. And then they make the hives, and you can see it, how the process works. It's pretty cool. So more various stations about animal life, especially what's around this area. Reptile table. A few different reptiles here. Ooh, eastern, that's not a box turtle. That's a blue-tongued skink. Never heard of one of those before. So this guy. So those are the tubes you can borrow. It's like driver's license, and you can borrow one. They've got some snacks, chocolate, hot chocolate if you want here. It's charge a minimal fee. It's pre-mix, and there's a bird sanctuary area. And this is really cool for checking out some bird watching.
That is really cool. Yeah. Can you hold this one? Oh, is that pretty? Look at these mormons. What's the question? What's the question? What?
I don't know what this is, but this is really cool.
I don't think you're not supposed to. No, I don't think so. You came here.
All right, headed back to meet up with the family and the sledding hill again. Now they're going 4 wide. See how it goes. Oh, jeez.
One got away. Have a drone picture of them.